Hello friends, here we will discuss about collisions. What is the very basic meaning of collision? Collision means takrana, okay? Like two fists colliding with each other. In physics, the definition of collision is not the usual definition that we understand. In physics, collision means exchange of momentum, exchange of kinetic energy and changing the path of a particle by changing momentum or the kinetic energy. Clear? This is how we define a collision. See, two or more particles, they are said to collide if they exchange their momentum and kinetic energy, and due to which their paths gets affected. Right? Physical contact is not at all necessary. The best example for a non-contact type of collision is the collision of two electrons. One electron, other electron moving towards each other. What is exactly happening in this type of collision? See, as they come closer to each other, the repulsive force between them increases. At a certain point, they are very close to each other. They are not in touch with each other, but they are very close to each other. And from this, they will come like this and then they will go back. This electron will also come like this and then it will go back. So there is no physical contact between them. दोनों के बीच का रिपल्जन इतना ज्यादा हो जाता है कि वो कभी भी उनको फिजिकली कांटेक्ट में नहीं आने देता. Clear? This was collision. Now what about the different types of collisions which we have? Elastic, inelastic, perfectly inelastic, and the last type of collision is super elastic. What things remain conserved? You can see on the board. In elastic collision, all the things are conserved. Momentum, kinetic energy, mechanical energy, total energy. And in other types of collisions, only momentum and total energy. यानी मोमेंटम और टोटल एनर्जी किसी भी टाइप के कोलिजन में कंजर्व रहते हैं. ओके, व्हाट आर नॉट कंजर्व? इलास्टिक कोलिजन में ऐसी कोई भी चीज नहीं होती जो कि कंजर्व नहीं होती. एवरीथिंग इज कंजर्व्ड. ऑलराइट, व्हाट आर द टाइप ऑफ फोर्सेस? सी, change of momentum and change of kinetic energy will take place only when particles apply force on each other. In case of elastic collision, all forces are conservative forces. या तो gravitational force होगा, electric force होगा, magnetic होगा, ठीक है. और जहां पे non conservative forces हैं, वहां पे इस तरह के forces भी आएंगे. Just like friction force is non conservative. Clear? Now what are the examples? Elastic collision, इसका कोई भी example हमें real life में देखने को नहीं मिलता. Because all the conservative forces, if all the forces in a collision are conservative, you can see those forces only inside an atom or inside a nucleus. So the example for elastic collision are only given in atomic and subatomic particles. Macroscopic objects. मैक्रोस्कोपिक क्या होता है भाई? दो तरह के ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, माइक्रोस्कोपिक एंड मैक्रोस्कोपिक. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस वर्ड माइक्रो. Micro means 10 to the power minus 6. So the particles which are having a size of 10 to the power minus 6 or close to it are microscopic objects, and if the size is bigger than this, then they are macroscopic objects. So the objects that we see around us, markers, our fists, they are all what? They are macroscopic objects. Inelastic collision takes place for macroscopic objects only. Now, अब ये एक और collision यहाँ पे है which is perfectly inelastic. अब इन दोनों में ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है. The only difference is that in case of perfectly inelastic collision, if two particles are colliding, then after the collision they will move together. यानी कोलाइड होने के बाद में दोनों अलग अलग बॉडीज नहीं रह जाते, they are moving together. जैसे if I am standing like here, कोई मुझे सामने से शूट करता है तो द बुलेट विल गेट इनटू माय बॉडी, and if I fall, I will fall with some velocity. The bullet is also going to fall with that same velocity. ठीक है, तो ये मतलब होता है दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट्स कोलिजन के बाद में एक हो गए. This is the only difference between elastic and inelastic and perfectly inelastic collision. Coming to the last type of collision, that is super elastic. अब ये super elastic collision क्या होता है? Super elastic collision मतलब explosions. There is a bomb. The bomb is at rest. The bomb explodes. What is the momentum? You will say the momentum is zero. What is the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is zero. After the explosion, the momentum will not be zero. Kinetic energy will not be zero. Clear? लेकिन अब आप बोलोगे सर यहाँ तो आपने लिखा है that in this super elastic collision momentum is conserved, and now you are saying पहले momentum zero था, अब momentum non-zero हो गया. How is this possible? So see, in case of explosion, the total momentum, suppose we take a bomb, okay, the bomb is at rest. What is the momentum? The momentum is zero. After the collision, this divides into two parts, this way and this way. This part flies with momentum p1, the momentum of the other part is p2. If you add p1 and p2, again you will get zero. Why? Because the directions will be opposite. One momentum will be positive, other will be negative. So that even after the collision, the net momentum of the system becomes zero. So momentum is conserved. Yes, total momentum of the system before the collision is also zero, and after the collision is also zero. Now, to have an in-depth knowledge about collisions, you will have to learn some collisions. So in the coming videos, I will be posting more videos on collisions based on mathematics, based on derivations.